Okay, here's the Optimus Pygmy. Right now we're going to develop some Verilog code on this. So let's open the Linux terminal on Redmi Note. Okay, so you can see that I have here. So I'm going to here's things. So this will drive the 7-segment display. Okay. Okay, so you can validate the Verilog code on your phone. So let's go. Let's light up only few segments. Let's close the design. So there you go. So now we have done with the design. So I'm going to use SymbiFlow, open source toolchain for Verilog, and I'm going to generate the bit file which will load on the FPGA on this board. So here I go. Oops. So we need to go here. We need to set the environment first. Right, so dot qrc profile. So now we are back. So let me give the SymbiFlow command. So there you go. So the design is being synthesized, and then it will do a place and route, and then you have the bit file. So it will take some time while you can go and go on, enjoy something on YouTube, attend to phone call, or do anything on your phone, right? I've heard that. Okay, so we are now in place and route. It will take a while. Let's enjoy the video again. So you can see that we have synthesized the design. So we're generating the bit file, right? You can see that we are writing the bit stream. So you can see how easy it is. Just use your phone, build the Verilog logic. You can also write C code on the Cortex M4 within the Pygmy. You can make hardware software co-design, and there you see that we have the top.bin here. So this is our design which we can flash. So for that we need a serial port. So we will basically use a remote serial port to flash on that, because Android is still not open and it doesn't give you access directly. So I'll just set it up and then be back. So we have copied the top.bin to a laptop which is connected here, which has a serial port. So let me get into I'll open an SSH shell on that. So there you go. So yeah, so we are here now, right? So this is our program that we are going to use. We are using a tiny thing. So the file name was seg77.bin, right? So let me put the Pygmy. So this is the Pygmy module here, and this is on the board. So let me reset the board here and put it in. So now we are in the bootloader is ready to receive new firmware, actually new FPGA code, and this UART which is running on the USB is part of this FPGA IP. So I'm going to flash it now. Let's see. Okay, there you go. It's flashing. verifying. So we are done. So let me just reset this board here. So we have reset the board. Let's see what happens on the 7th segment. Okay, there you see. So we wanted to put 7 is here. So you can see how easy it is to program the Optimus Pygmy, which runs on QuickLogic EOS S3 and uses industry tools which are free, open source. You can compile them from the source. We have done that for the phone. So we have put the power of technology in your hand. So yeah, happy coding, enjoy, and Happy New Year.